Have you been searching for the perfect pickup with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat in iconic silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, FX4 off-road package, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, twin panel moonroof, power liftgate, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7230.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.